Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I share with you 3 immunity booster smoothie recipes. But before that, it is important to understand that health can be measured in many ways, and so understanding holistic health is so important because to truly achieve optimal wellness in the physical, mental and spiritual sense, we have to view and support our body as one, like a whole one unit, to improve overall health, our energy and outlook. So when it comes to treating your body as one, then we are looking beyond the physical body and we are addressing 5 important aspects of holistic health. And they are physical, emotional, spiritual, social, and finally mental. So I like to remember this as PESSM. P stands for physical. It's just easy to remember these 5 aspects as PESSM. Okay, now that we know already a bit about holistic health and what are the aspects of holistic health, let's dive into our smoothie recipes. Today I will be sharing 3 smoothie recipes and I call them Mango Delicious, Tipsy Pineapple and Banana on Date. Just some funny names. Okay, I am done writing my recipes, which goes to my blog, and now I think I'm ready to start making the recipes. Let's go. Okay, seriously though, look at my smile. But I honestly tell you guys, this is the best smoothie recipes that I make for myself. The tahini really changes the whole flavor. I really want you guys to try at least once. If you are not allergic to any of this ingredient, that is the 3 ingredients, lime juice, mango and tahini, please try it. It's the best recipe. Reading through a good book and sipping on my smoothie is definitely a moment I cherish. It is definitely one of my favorite me time moments, and also scrolling through social media. It's also fun while doing it with a glass of smoothie. Okay, for the last recipe, I will be making this smoothie for my husband Tridip, and he is coming back from office in 30 minutes. Let's see if he can recognize what ingredients I'm putting in this smoothie. So this is for you.
Peanut butter.
Yeah. Check mark.
pineapple. Banana. Dates.
Yeah! Awesome! I did a good job. You like it? Good. Yes. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you will try these recipes at home and tag me. If you are on Instagram, tag me and I would love to repost you there. I will meet you again with another new video, and until then, keep living holistic.